check out the Holiday Inn Express with us in town Northeast Pennsylvania. We think you'll quickly see why it's so family friendly.
Hi, girls.
Hi.
Hey.
As soon as the girls saw the swimming pool with a slide from the front desk, they knew we were in for an awesome time.
Are we going in, girls?
Yeah.
By this adorable little lazy river, you'll see up above it is a hot tub, which is full of parents and sometimes kids jammed in there too. It was plenty hot and it gives you a view of the whole pool area, including the slide. For the adventure-seeking kids, clearly the slide is the star of this hotel. I was really surprised how much there was to do in this shallow pool area, from the dumping buckets to the mushroom and the little baby slide. There were so many little toddlers that were having a ball. Girl Scouts selling cookies was a fun surprise for us in the lobby.
And 2 boxes is how much?
$10.
$10.
Thank
Change
you.
is how much?
$10. What is she
Very
doing?
good.
Very
What is she
smart.
getting?
She's getting a box of lemons.
What are you guys raising money for? Is it for camping?
No.
Where are you
We
guys
might be
going?
able to like go swimming, or we might do like something fun.
We're actually doing the Strong Museum at the end of this month.
Wow.
We have
What is
a
that?
big surprise for the girls that they don't know about, that they're all going to love. We have 22 girls in our group.
Wow.
And
What is your account?
we'll be doing camp next year.
Oh, how
So,
cool.
towards that as well.
So the place that you just said, the Strong,
The Strong Museum is in Rochester.
if we
New York.
Google it, will we be able to see what's going on? Oh, we'll have so much fun. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We have Adventure Fills and Thin Mints. Let the taste testing begin. What do these taste like?
Okay. I don't taste the caramel of what it says on the box.
Yeah.
or
Do you guys
whatever.
taste the sea salt?
Mm-mm. Oh wait, now I do. No. I'm getting more sea salt and
I
caramel.
just taste chocolate.
That's not a
Once you
bad
get
thing.
into it more. Yeah, I taste stuff now.
Which
Wait.
one do you like better, G?
I don't know. I think I like those better.
Thin Mints, classic. And which one do you like better, Kaylana?
Thin Mints, they're always my favorite.
Oh, now I gotta try. Your favorite cookie, enjoy.
We're gonna show you this half of the room because that side is destroyed and these beds are so comfy. Ah! This is a really big bathroom and there's a shower right here and I could like basically dance in it. I will dance in the bathroom and then there's a sink, a toilet, and then some towels. It's really big.
$5 if you forget your toothbrush. Ouch! I always forget mine. Oh, but 2 razors for $3 is not bad. I might buy one. Yay! Free silverware, what we came for. Chips, $1.75. Candy, $2, $1.75. $1. Meat sticks, $3. I hate to admit it, but we'll be brushing our teeth with our fingers tonight. Those $5 toothbrushes are literally at Dollar Tree for $1. I just couldn't do it.
The highlight of breakfast was for sure the homemade cinnamon rolls, but there was so much more to choose from. Breakfast started at 6:30, which gave us plenty of time to eat and then get in the pool at 9 and checkouts at 11. So a good 2 hours before you check out to school. There was also the second pool. It was pretty vacant most of the time because it had nothing special there. I'm sure lots of people had plans of going there like we did to go chill by ourselves, but the other pool was just too exciting, so it's a nice place to get away if you want a quieter pool area. The main pool area that was so fun might have been loud, but it was so incredibly warm. I was so happy just enjoying the heat. Overall, the hotel was clean and pretty modern, had a wonderful breakfast, and lots of fun for kids. I'll end with one parent tip. If your kids happen to be afraid of elevators, or anyone of any age is afraid of elevators, singing sure helps.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, little fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went.